Alrighty, it's what, May 6th today, and I'm gonna put the GoPro up. So I have an avalanche here on the old Harley. I took one of their stickers and I stuck it here, the sticker mount. Unfortunately, I have to use an extension to mount the camera because it's in too tight if I don't, which allows this to shake a bit. But I found taking a piece of foam from the pipe insulation and I put it down by the mount. It helps steady the camera. And I've been looking forward for a good ride for a couple of days. I got a couple of weeks off now, and I'm gonna whack some miles on this old Harley Davidson here. I guess I better plug in the garage door first, eh? There we go. Garage door openers work better with electricity. Alright. It's a beautiful spring day. Here we come. Now, we get this map. Oh, shit. What a great day to build a model airplane.